Hi everyone, check out the Fossil Women's classic automatic stainless steel mesh watch in elegant gold. This 28mm timepiece features a stunning skeleton dial with a gold sunray finish that adds timeless sophistication. Its automatic movement means no battery is needed, winding itself with your natural motion. The gold-toned stainless steel mesh bracelet is adjustable for a perfect, comfortable fit on any wrist. Scratch-resistant mineral crystal protects the watch face, keeping it looking pristine every day. Plus, it's water-resistant up to 50 meters, making it swim-ready for short recreational swims. With its sleek 90s-inspired T-bar design, this watch blends classic style with modern function beautifully. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.